How to invite friends on TEMU app in 2024. Hey guys, let's get started. If you want to send friends invitation on TEMU app, there are two ways to do so. The first one is sharing link and the next is sharing referral code. So for this, first of all, log in into your TEMU app and then tap on the search icon on the top. Once you click on the search text box, you have to type in Lucky Flip. Once you get the lucky flip, you can go to the rules and study about all the lucky flip options, official rules, and the steps as well. Once that is done, you can cross here and go to the lucky flip page. Now tap on invite new app users and you can share the link with anyone using WhatsApp, Messenger, Facebook, or copy the link and send it however you like to. Likewise, the next option is instead of sending the link, you can click on copy code and you'll get your referral code. Now you can refer friends to download TEMU and search your code, and each time it is redeemed, you will get your options as well. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.